Where is Gwen? Where is Gwen? Where is Gwen? Where is Gwen? Oh, don't turn around too much. Don't spin. You're spinning too much. It's enough. It's enough. It's enough. Where is Gwen? Where is Gwen? Where is Gwen? Where is Sam Sam? Where is Sam Sam? Where's Sam Sam? Oh, where's Sam Sam? Don't go there. Here I am. Here I am. How do you do? Mommy finger, where are you? Where's mommy finger? Show me. Show me your finger.
One, two, three, four, five.
You have 5 toes on the right. How about the left? How many toes you have in the left feet?
One, three, four, five.
Also 5. Also 5 toes on the left feet. On the left foot.
There's a lot here.
Yes.
Bubble, 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 bubble. Bubble, bubble, bubble.
Are you love Gwen? You love Gwen?
Bubble, bubble.
No. You love Gwen?
Bubble, 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 bubble.
Bubble, bubble, bubble. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Oh! I'm sorry. Oh, it's that hurt? Is that hurt? Oh, I'm sorry. Is it that hurt? Itchy, itchy, ouch, ouch. Can you help me? Yes, yes, yes. Oh, shush, shush. Itchy, itchy, ouch, ouch. Can you help me? Okay.
Was it ugly?
What is that? What is that? Cosmo, stop it! Cosmo! You want to remove your slipper? You want me to remove your slipper?
Ugly? Okay.
You want to watch Noodle and Fall? Huh? You want to watch Noodle and Fall? Or you want to watch Indie? What do you want to watch?
Ugly.
Indie. So we watch Indie.
What?
You want to watch Indie? You want to watch Indie? Huh? Or Noodle and Fall? Oh! It's okay. It's okay. You're just removing your slipper, eh? Okay. Okay! What happened? You just slipped. It's okay. Oh, how many toes do you have? You count your toes. Sam! Oh, why are you sitting in there? Why are you sitting in there? Why are you sitting in there? Why are you sitting? Come on. Let's go. Let's go.
Bubbles?
You want bubbles?
Bubbles?
Yes. Oh, we get the bubbles.